Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is HIPPO Airdrop. I'm going to walk you through on how to start mining HIPPO Airdrop. This HIPPO Airdrop is a meme coin built on SU. Yeah, SU network or SU wallet or whichever one. So I'm going to guide you through on how to mine it. And if you have not started mining HIPPO, the link will be in the description box and on the comment section. Use that link and start mining. Now, work with me. Let me show you what to do. Click over to this get started. Click there. You are going to sign up using your S account. So click on sign up, connect S account. Allow it to load. So you're going to authorize. Just be patient. So we are going to authorize this HIPPO. We are going to authorize it on the S account. Click on authorize app. Just give it time to load. Here you are going to enter a referral code. So here is the interface of HIPPO. So we are going to do quests that will give you points. You need to follow HIPPO on S. You do this test. And the second one is to connect wallet. So we are going to connect this wallet using SU wallet. So what you are going to do is to download SU wallet on Play Store. I have it before, but I deleted it because of space. So I'm not going to connect the wallet right now. So I'm going to do that later. And if you want me to show you how to connect this wallet, just tell me in the comment section. But definitely I'm going to show you. So you're going to do the quest to endpoint. Do your quest and endpoint. Very simple. It's not hard to mine. I'll drop the link in the description of this video and in the comment section. Use that link and join. This is a meme coin. Do not fade it for any reason. And if you're here to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And also join my WhatsApp group where I share updates. Now let me click on follow HIPPO on S. Complete manually. Click on manually. Now I'll click on follow. I've done it. I'm now following hiphop.fun. Let's go back. Then you claim the price. Very simple. It's not difficult to mine. Link in the description of this video. Then you do other tasks. You do other tasks that will enable you endpoints. If you click onto these three dots on the top right, nothing is there actually. So this is how this project is being. So this is basically what you're supposed to do on this project. It's not difficult. Do this now. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video.